Welcome to BMS365 eLearning Tips. Today we'll explore the ACH module, a key component of the Paperless App. This module streamlines electronic payments and allows you to create files that complied with Nacha standards and Canadian bank specifications, ensuring seamless integration with your Visual ERP system. Plus, it features dashboards that provide a clear overview of your payment activity. The ACH module is designed to work with your bank account, supporting 4 types of electronic payments: ACH for electronic payments within the USA, EFT in Canadian dollars and US dollars for payments within Canada using either Canadian or US dollar accounts, IAT for cross-border payments from a Canadian bank account to a US bank, and wire transfers for handling international payments beyond these regions. Let's review the steps to get started. To use the ACH module, your bank must first enable your account for electronic payments. Once enabled, set up the required details for the electronic file, including your bank account information and business identification number. Update the payment type file in Visual to flag vendors for electronic payments. Enter your vendor's banking details into the system. If you've already gathered this information, we can assist with importing it. Let's now check how to process e-payments. The ACH module integrates seamlessly with Visual's payment scheduling and check-run functionalities. Here is how the process works. Generate payments as usual in Visual. Review the payments in the ACH app to ensure all necessary details are included, and create the ACH file by selecting the payments and clicking the Create File button. If any payment is missing information, the app will flag it, requiring you to update the vendor's banking details in Visual before proceeding. For references, each payment is stamped with the ACH file it was included in. It is time now for uploading and notifying. So once the ACH file is created, upload it into your online banking platform for approval and processing. After processing, notify vendors of their payments using the Payment Notifications module, which allows you to automatically email payments advice in PDF format, customize the email subject and body, use vendor email addresses stored in Visual Vendor Maintenance, or input them directly in the app at the time of emailing. The app also includes a SQL reporting server template for payment advices, which can be easily configured with your logo, company details, and more data that suit your needs. In terms of additional features, the Payment Notifications module isn't limited to electronic payments. It also supports payment advices of manual checks, making it a versatile tool for all your payment needs. The ACH app is a turnkey solution offered on a monthly subscription basis to fit your budget and includes training and configuration at no additional cost, no hidden consulting fees or extra charges. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found it helpful and look forward to seeing you in the next episode of BMS365 eLearning Tips.